Like I buy title insurance, I like to insure my ass.
You were saying that there is an order of requests in all four of these, and reinstatement should be your last option. What is the actual order? Is it forbearance?
We are going to order the reinstatement letter for 30 days so we know the amount. So just in case, like I buy title insurance, I like to insure my ass. So I know that amount. If I don't get the loan mod or the forbearance or whatever else, I can reinstate it at least and we're good. Okay, so you get that first, so you got the 30 days. You're just requesting a reinstatement letter. That doesn't lock you into a reinstatement. You just know the amount. Next, you're gonna request the forbearance. That buys you some time, okay? Now, when you're in that forbearance period, we're talking about the repayment plan. We're talking about taking it and putting it on the back end and just making payments today. Then we go to the loan mod, because that's what starts that mortgage over. And that's kind of almost the last thing we want to do.
So I just wanted to ask, you talked about the government said that they were extending forbearance for another 18 months. That's up until when exactly?
It started in, and I'll have to look at the article, but I believe it was May that it started, but it had to have been COVID related for that extension, right? So if you come in anew, they're gonna be like, how is it COVID related? All the COVID BS, is just starting up again, so you can't be affected yet, because it ended for a while, right? So COVID related allows you for that extension.
And that extension started back this May?
March was the extension, and this is the whole thing. March was the extension, May was the end of the CARES Act stuff. So they gave the extension if you were affected by COVID, but after May, you can't come in on a new forbearance and get the 18 months. Forbearances are typically 6 months.
So overall, we've had a ton of people coming in, being able to get a lot of new information. G's been up top, giving them everything that they could possibly need, getting their wigs blown back a little bit. You know how it go.
And Dub, just to kind of add on to that, there's been so much value. I mean, we started this after registration about 8 a.m., to 9, and what we've seen is just the energy has went up. The decibels have just increased every hour. And even after lunch, man, just it's palatable.
We've got people saying that this is already giving them the tools and the resources to impact and change the outcome of their tomorrow. If y'all are out there anywhere, make sure y'all find out about the GoGetter family and everything that we got going on. And next time, you're in the room.